Hi guys, and welcome to my video on the Rode Wireless Go. As you may have seen from one of my previous videos, I have bought a whole load of sound equipment, and currently you're listening to me on my Behringer mixer with the Shure SM58 microphone, and this is just here off the side of my face, so it might not be as clear as if I would do this, but hopefully it will come out nice. So the Rode system, I've actually pretty much gotten myself into it. So obviously when you start off you get a small audio mic, which is meant to be better than your DSLR, but unfortunately my DSLR creates a lot of noise, so I have to combat that somehow, and it's not always the case that I can get rid of all the background noise. I have been able to make my room quieter, but even when I'm on site or out and about in the world, I can't always control the audio. The audio is a lot better from the VideoMicro, but then I decided to upgrade and get myself a lavalier mic, which I can plug into my Zoom H1. Now that's a system which really annoys me, and I could technically just plug this in directly, but that's another problem with length and whatnot. So I then upgraded to this, which is the Audio Technica microphone. I can't remember what it's called now, but it's massive. It's got the longest cable in the world, and that was good for a few videos, but it's just cumbersome. But then I got myself the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is actually fixed to the camera right now, and it's not actually being used in this video. But yeah, that was the next step, and that actually did a really good job. But the VideoMic Pro was still too noisy for me, or for my liking. So this is the setup I've got in the studio now with the Shure SM58 and the Behringer mixer. When I'm out and about, I can use either one of the other things, but what really will make my life easier is the Rode Wireless Go. So there you go, we've got the receiver and we've got the transmitter, and my light's gone off. So the receiver sits on your camera and is plugged in via this cable here. So let's plug that bad boy in, and it goes in on the side here, and then that plugs into my microphone socket on my camera. And then this, all I have to do is clip it onto myself, and or I can plug in a lav mic. So I've got this $1 lav mic. I've got this other mic, which is, I think I paid £8 for it, £9. And then this one, which I spent at least £40 on, or £30 on, 39. And I can actually plug that into there, but I won't be doing that right now. I'll be using the built-in mic just there, and we'll give this a try. Okay, so the first thing I've noticed is that the battery is down 25% when I actually charged it overnight 2 days ago. So I don't know what's happened there, but as you can see, I'm actually holding it here, and I'm picking up some good audio on the device there. Now if I plug this in, Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Can you hear me? It seems like the volume is very low into the camera. So what I can do on the microphone receiver here, I can click this dB button. Don't know if you can see that. No? And you should be able to hear me a bit louder. And now you should be able to hear me maybe louder still. And maybe now? No. It's not actually moving too much. So I'm hitting 0 and the sound seems to be okay, but my mic inputs on my camera are saying that there's no sound being recorded. So you're going to have to either tell me, or I can listen back while I'm editing and then see how good the sound is. So now if I change that, it's very low. How about now? That's better. Okay, so that's the sound coming from the device, but if I unplug this, as you can see, there's no indicator on there for anything. Everything is on the transmitter. Sorry, on the receiver, should I say. This is the transmitter. Right, we'll try the $1 mic. I'll plug this in. Check 1, check 2. Okay, so the receiver is picking it up, and I'm not too sure how the sound is coming out as. I should have put some headphones in, but hey, my input on the camera is not actually picking this up unless I get very loud. Hello. 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 So that's the $1 mic. So now let's try this mic. Well, this mic is actually hotter anyway, because this will usually be used for going directly into my phone, and it's mono, or is it stereo? Is it mono or is it stereo? Sorry for doing that, but hopefully this is illustrating the audio for you. And last but by no means least, this is the Audio-Technica mic, and the audio is strong. The signal is very strong on this one. No, I think it's about medium, but here you go. What do you think? If I plug this to my fake lapel that doesn't exist yet, I think this will give you some really good clean audio to then mess around with in post. Okay, so there you have it. How did that sound to you? I'm not going to edit any of the audio in this, so if you want to listen through the whole audio yourself and just let me know what you think of it, but I'm not too sure what to think at the moment, but I'll either put a card in at the end of the video with my thoughts, but here you go. This is it. As I'm talking, this is moving, and as you can see there, the battery life is really bad. I don't know how that's happened. One other thing that I didn't actually try was the muff. So now these are really easy to lose apparently. I'm not actually picking up audio on this, but yeah, it's, oh, that is loose. It's pretty loose. But there you have it. That's the sound quality that you'll get from this Rode Wireless Go. It's a good system, I think. When I start using it out in the real world, hopefully it will be a lot better. I won't be messing around with any cables except for the one that goes directly into the camera, and yeah, I'll get nice clean audio. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see anything in particular that you want me to review, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. And let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get it done for you. If you, yeah. So guys, thanks again. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.